Saraswati Sisukunj Bhagwala Borsad, English Medium Standard 5th Subject EVS. We are going to study a new chapter. The chapter's name is When the Earth Shook. Now, these words, the earth shook means earthquake. When the earth shakes, right? We can say vibrates, right? So that is earthquake. Now here in this chapter number 15, there is a story of a girl named Jashma who was living in Kutch, which is in the Gujarat. The stories, describe whole scenario during the earthquake and after the earthquake. What was the condition of those villagers in Kutch and different villages? How they survive. So let's see that story in her own words. Help, help, save me. People were shouting and screaming all around. The ground was shaking and people are running everywhere. Jashma woke up and she also screamed. Her mother also woke up. It was like a bad dream. Now, what is this bad dream? This paragraph of a story is known as a bad dream. A bad dream means a dream which is so bad, means a totally dangerous scenario, but it is actually a reality for them, for those peoples who are living in Kutch. The whole Gujarat shook on the 26th January. The year was 2001. What was the year? 2001, 26th January. Old peoples, many women, children were all gathered in the school to watch parade on the television. All people of the village. Jasma was living in a small village of a Kutch. Actually, Kutch is a district. On 26 January, as we all know that in Delhi, there is a flag hosting and there is a parade. So, villagers was watching that on the television and whole village was gathered on the open ground of a school. They were watching and suddenly the earth shook. Everyone was confused that what is going on. Everyone was shouting, right? It was surprise for them. People are running here and there. There was total panic all around. Only just in few minutes, whole village was just flat on the ground. All houses which are there in the village, only few houses which are strong, they were there still. But all other houses, they were just flat on the ground. All kind of food, grains, clothes, water, the necessary, all things, money and everything, jewelry, all the things that were there in the houses was under the houses. At that time, everyone was only thinking about two things. Which two things? How to save the trapped people. Actually, many people are there who are still inside the homes and they are trapped inside the that fallen houses. They are still under that fallen houses. So they were thinking that how we can take this human out from this thing and how to treat the injured. That was the second thing, how we can treat the injured. But hospital was also damaged of that village. Many people were injured and hospital was also damaged. So there was literally a critical condition for the village. Doctor was trying to treat the people with the help of other people who are well. 6 people of Jasma's village was dead and many people were injured. Grandfather of Jasma, means her mother's father, was dead, means he was under the he was buried under the house. So her mother was crying, and seeing that her mother is crying, Jasma also started crying. Whole village was sad. They are actually worried that if other earthquake will come, then how we will face that. Everyone was just in bad condition, without houses, without food, without water, and without roof on the head. Now Jasma is saying that Mota Bapu, who was Sarpanch of that village, he helped other people by giving food grains from his godown. He was Sarpanch, right? So he has some more grains, food grains. So he given to the people. Many women were gathered in the Mota Bapu's house to cook food. they prepared food in more quantities, and they fed to other people of the village. So this is how they help each other. In the crisis, they were helping each other. In Kutch, during the winter, I am talking about January month, right? So that is winter. Now in that winter condition, they do not have houses to live, right? They cannot sleep inside the house because most of the houses were fallen down on the ground. So without any house under the open sky in the winter night, there was only one thing in their mind, that if other earthquake will come, then how we will face that. Whole village was disturbed. After a few days, help arrives. Now, the other states and the people who are living in the city of Gujarat, they actually visited that place. So now this paragraph is known as help arrives. So people who are visiting this Kutch, they were always taking food, clothes, and winter clothes. Some are taking jackets and different clothes to give those people. So when they are coming towards the village, right, people are rushing towards them to just get something for food or for clothes. But there was something that they don't ever wear this kind of clothes before. Some people from the cities were helping people to put up a tent. So inside tent they can live, because house was flat. In one day how, or 1 or 2 day, how they can build a new house. You can understand, video is running here, you can understand that what was the condition. So they were trying to help them. They built a plastic tent, but for villagers it was so difficult to live inside the plastic tent during this winter condition. Now from many places people are coming towards the Kutch to see the actual thing, that what is there on the ground, what is the condition of different villages. So few of them are scientists. They are finding out the place that where there are more chances of earthquake, right? So they talk many times with the people, with the villagers, and they suggest to build a new houses for them. Scientists had suggest to build a new houses. Engineers and architects also made a design of different houses, so which can be not damaged during the earthquake. They show them design and said that this kind of houses will not get damaged during the earthquake. But village peoples, they were worried that if these people, these architects and engineers will make our house, so our village will not look like our old village, right? Because now you just think that a place where you are living, right, houses which are in your surrounding, if those all houses, they fallen down in front of your eyes, means the beauty of a place is no more over there. And now people from outside, they are saying that you should make a new houses with this design, right? So those things are in your memories, those old houses, old school, right? Your village is in your memories, and now there is nothing, and the people are saying to build it newly, so it's really shocking for those villagers, because village peoples are so closely connected with the village, the surrounding, the nature, the actual beauty of a village. So they decided to make houses with the help of those architects and engineers, but in the condition that they will design their house. They will take help of engineers and architects, but they will design by themselves. And the group of engineers and architects will focus on the school and hospital, so they can design it properly. Houses, villagers will design, and they will just take help of engineers. But the engineers and that architects should more focus on hospital, because it should be proper, with proper facility, and school. So that will be the actual benefit for the villagers. So this was the struggle, during the earthquake and after the earthquake. And the night between that 2 days, it was so unbearable for them. So that was the mental condition. We can understand how they were feeling. This story is literally connected with all of us. If you ask your mother and father that what they were doing during that time, they will tell you that what they were actually doing. I was there in my school and waiting for the flag hosting. We were all standing in the line and suddenly the earth shook. At that time, the same condition this Jasma is explaining, the same thing happened. We were all children. I think I was in 6th or 7th standard. And the earth shook and we were just running everywhere. We don't know because we were children, no? Like you. So we don't know what is going on. But in the internal area of the Gujarat, it was not much effective. So within few seconds, that was the time, few seconds it happened and then it stopped. I'm talking about our Anand district. It was just for few seconds and it stops. So, we are not damaged. Our houses are not damaged. We didn't get hurt. But the people who face these things, they are damaged from inside. Their minds are damaged. So this whole story, that how they stand, how they rebuild their houses, how they gain that strength again after this disaster. So that is the thing that we need to learn, that whatever the thing is, whatever the atmosphere in your surrounding, we just have to bounce back, right? Okay, I hope you understand the main point of this 2 point, a bad dream and help arrives. In the next video, we are going to learn that how they build their houses, which are the different natural disasters and how we can save ourselves from them. Thank you.